The most famous singing show is returned for another season, the much-desired Season 15 of Indian Idol. Indian Idol
returns with talented individuals like Shreya Goshal, Vishal Dadlani, and Badshah aiming to find the next big star in the popular singing show. The show, hosted by Aditya Narayan, is set to showcase the world's best singers.
Neha Dixit, the promising girl of Kyarkoti Panchayat of Shimla area, has made the whole Himachal Pradesh glad with her exceptional ability. Presently, her sweet voice will reverberate in Sony Television's esteemed show, Indian Idol 15. She has additionally come out on top for the championship of Voice of Shimla in the colder time of year fair of 2023. Hearty congrats and all the best to Neha for going to Indian Idol 15. Her excursion from a humble community in Himachal Pradesh to the enormous city of Mumbai has been loaded up with battles. Presently, showing what her can do on a public stage will be her greatest test. Neha has sung a few melodies previously, and one of her tunes was even sent off by Himachal Pradesh's main priest, Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu.
खुशियों का